Today we're diving into the world of Apple AirPods 4 wireless earbuds equipped with active noise cancellation. These earbuds mark a significant leap from previous models, introducing a host of new features that enhance the user experience. First, let's unpack the contents. Inside the box, you'll find the standard documentation along with the charging case and the AirPods 4 themselves. Notably, the AirPods 4 do not come with a USB-C charge cable or power adapter. Now let's examine the case. It's described as the smallest in the industry that supports wireless charging. The case can be charged using a USB-C cable, an Apple Watch charger, or any Qi/Qi certified wireless charger. Additionally, on the bottom of the case, it includes a built-in speaker for the Find My feature, aiding in locating your earbuds if misplaced. Moving on to the AirPods 4, they've been redesigned for both fit and audio performance. A standout feature is active noise cancellation, a first for this model outside of the Pro line. This feature uses a special tuning to adapt noise cancellation based on ambient noise levels, offering a tailored audio experience. Users have 2 levels of noise cancellation, plus a transparency mode that lets you hear your surroundings without removing the earbuds. There's also a conversation awareness feature that automatically lowers the media volume during speech, enhancing real-world interaction without removing your earbuds. The new H2 chip is the heart of these enhancements, delivering clearer calls with voice isolation by reducing background noise and focusing on the user's voice. This chip also supports advanced features like hands-free Hey Siri and conversation awareness, improving interaction with your device through voice commands or even head gestures. The AirPods 4 also introduced personalized spatial audio with head tracking, providing an immersive 3-dimensional sound experience, which is ideal for content like movies and music. Regarding battery life, with ANC on, you get up to 4 hours of listening time on a single charge, or 20 hours with the case. Without ANC, you extend to 5 hours per charge, with up to 30 hours total from the case. Both the AirPods 4 and the charging case are designed to be dust, sweat, and water resistant, making them quite durable for everyday use. We purchased these AirPods 4 for my son to replace his current ones. I can't wait to see what he thinks about them. I know he will like some of the new features these have to offer. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.